What's up, guys? Behind me, we've got Jim's 2020 C8 Corvette with our 1,000 horsepower top mount twin turbo system on it. Currently running through a OEM Z06 catback exhaust. Didn't exactly give us the sound we were looking for on this particular build, so we hollered at our friends over at Corsa, and they sent us over this Corsa Performance valved exhaust system. So we're gonna go ahead and get you guys some sound clips and get this installed today. Alright, so we just finished up the install on the Corsa Performance exhaust. Let's take a listen. Hope you guys enjoyed today's install video. If you want to set up an install, make sure to get in touch with our sales team. Info down below. Until then, let's go see what it sounds like on the streets.